So today we are talking about what is compassion. So what is compassion? Compassion is a heartfelt awareness of another's suffering paired with a genuine desire to ease through action, not merely feeling empathy or pity, but responding in meaningful ways. Its root meaning from Latin, with pathy to suffer, literally translate to suffering with someone. In psychology term, compassion involves three core elements: noticing someone's distress, emotionally resonating with, with it, and taking steps to alleviate that suffering. In short, compassion is active care, seeing someone hurt, feeling moved, then doing something to help. How compassion shows up: care for others and the environment. A. Caring for people. In healthcare, compassion strengthens trust, improves patient outcomes, and demonstrated by emotional support. Ac- Active listening and personalized, respectful care. In everyday life, we show compassion by supporting those in need, offering time, comfort, or resource not just to alleviate immediate pain but to affirm full dignity and humanity. B. Caring for the environment. Ecological compassion means recognizing the suffering of animals, plants, or ecosystems harmed by pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. This awareness inspires action like cleanup drives, cleanup efforts, protecting habitats, and promoting policies that reflect our independence with nature. Viewing environmental issues through a compassionate lens transform them abstract problems into urgent ethical responsibilities. 3. The role of communal discernment. Communal discernment is a collective, prayerful decision-making process rooted in listening deeply to one another and faith-based communities to the promoting of the spirit. Why it matters. First, enriches compassion by engaging in shared prayers, silence, and attentive listening. Communal discernment deepens our understanding of others' suffering. 2. Fosters inclusive, sustainable solution. Involving diverse voice ensures decision reflect the realities of people and environment rather than assumption by a few. Third, creates shared commitment. Discernment cultivates unity. Decisions become not just endorsed by individuals but carried with sense of communal responsibility and shared purpose. It encourages humanity, openness, and trust in process guided by shared values, not power or majority votes, for building a more compassionate EU and world. Implement communal discernment for students' well-being, mental health support, and sustainability project. Let compassion guide policies like counseling, accessibility, inclusion efforts, and green campus initiatives. Globally, communities that use discernment in policy making are more likely to create equitable healthcare, environmental stewardship, and social justice projects, inspired by frameworks like Charter for Compassion, which encourage communities to bring compassion to life through practical, inclusive actions. 5. Conclusion. Compassion is deep emotional resonance plus action, seeing suffering, feeling it, and responding. It shapes how we treat both people and the planet with care and responsibilities. Communal discernment empowers us to root our compassion in collective wisdom, prayer, and respectful listening. Together, compassion and communal discernment can transform PU and world into a place where suffering is met with care, dignity, and shared